So many of us used to think, including myself, that the ketogenic diet was just a great way to lose weight, to change your body composition, right? Going low carb was all about just getting lean and getting toned and getting healthy. But there's a lot more to it than just that. In fact, if you start diving into the research and what the ketogenic diet can do for those that are over the age of 50 or over the age of 60 or heck, even 70, 80, it's miraculous. So if you know someone that's interested in doing the ketogenic diet, but they're just not sure if it's for them because they're maybe over the age of 60, you might want to share this little clip with them because it's going to blow your mind. Quite honestly, the ketogenic diet, sure, it's great for fat loss. But when you're looking at someone over the age of 60, you really have a lot of other things that you have to factor in. There's a lot of metabolic slowdown and metabolic dysfunction that occurs in someone that's even over the age of 50. You see, our mitochondria, which is what creates energy in the first place or manufactures energy, there is a serious decline in the efficiency and the quality and the health of the mitochondria as we get older. Now, one of the biggest things of the ketogenic diet is rejuvenating that mitochondrial health, is making that mitochondria strong again. And you may not know this, but mitochondria has its own DNA separate from our own human DNA. So that means that mitochondria almost is like a little life form inside of us that gives birth to its own different life form that's not really attached to us. So if we get our mitochondria conditioned to utilizing ketones and fat for fuel, it makes it denser. It makes the mitochondria denser and stronger, which means that when it gives birth to its new mitochondria and it goes through its half-life process, we get a stronger, more resilient mitochondria time after time after time, which could potentially start reversing some of the aging process at a cellular level as far as metabolism goes. Then, of course, we have the neurodegenerative side of things. Okay, there's a lot of studies that are now showing that the ketogenic diet is extremely beneficial for those with Alzheimer's, dementia, but now even Parkinson's. There was one study that was published in the journal Neurology that took a look at 5 people that had Parkinson's disease, and they put them on a ketogenic diet for 1 month, and they saw an improvement between 20 and 80% in all the patients as far as Parkinson's symptoms go. Okay, it all has to do with the fact that there's impaired glucose metabolism in the brain at an older age. And if we can change that to make it so the brain's running on ketones, then we don't have to worry about that impaired glucose metabolism. We've given it a new fuel form altogether. It's amazing stuff. So sure, you might know someone that's over 50 or 60 that wants to do keto for body composition reasons. And maybe you don't want to explain to them that, hey, I'm looking out for your mental health, but you may want to explain to them that, hey, this could help you live a healthier, longer life. So you can get on the ground with your kids and your grandkids and have a good time and enjoy life. And honestly, Cali'flour Foods has done an amazing job of making it tasty to make this lifestyle change. They've made it so it's accessible not just to every walk of life, but to people that have a good palate. I mean, honestly, they've made it so that you can have pizza. So if you want to sit down with your grandma or you want to sit down with mom and you want to enjoy a meal that they quite frankly won't even know doesn't have carbs in it, then this is what you're going to want to try. So I highly recommend that you check them out. Go ahead and click on the link down below and you can check out Cali'flour Foods with their wide variety of cauliflower pizza crusts and amazing ingredients that are going to change your keto lifestyle. But as always, make sure that you're doing what's best for your metabolic health so that you can live a long and healthy life. As always, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for keeping it locked in with Cali'flour.